I'm excited to invite you to our upcoming course, Living the Sfirot. This is going to be an Omer journey of 8 weeks. One before Pesach, where we'll be preparing ourselves, and then the 7 weeks, 7 Sfirot, 7 qualities, taking us all the way to Har Sinai for Shavuot. What is my purpose in our shared upcoming experience? I have noticed that the work that I need to do most is the work of resilience. Times are tough, and this is what we need. And there's 3 things that we know about how to cultivate resilience. The first thing is plugging into community. And this is what I hope, and I always try, and many times succeed in my classes, to create an international community. You can choose to join Chavrutot and do something together. The second thing is agency. Agency seems to be the most important thing when we feel so powerless in our current reality. And the agency that I am proposing is a Kabbalistic agency. The Kabbalists say that what we do here influences the worlds up high. And if we are cultivating the midot, our midot, it will influence the divine reality. The divine reality is seen as Sfirot. The Zohar call it many names. You can see it as pillars, you can see it as crown, you can see it as rivers. So whatever is the creativity that will come through our shared exploration, we will be able to tend to our inner world, our community, our relationship. And the Kabbalah says this is going to influence reality. This is going to influence all the worlds, Kol HaOlamot. I know it's ambitious. I didn't say it. I read it in the books. But I believe that we can do it together and nourish our sense of agency in the situation. The third thing that we know about resilience is like if we are reconnecting to a sense of purpose, it really, really helps. And that's what we're going to do. We're looking at the time between Pesach and Shavuot. And it's not just 7 weeks that they need to pass. These are purposeful journey steps going along the way. And that purpose is also, as we are purposely walking this path together, we will have the reality of nature unfold around us. From the cutting of the barley in Pesach to the cutting of the harvest. That's the word, the harvest. The harvest of the wheat in Shavuot. We will start it, it's winter now. It will become spring, and when we enter Shavuot, it will be summer. This unfolding, this change gives us the hope that we can also change things on the people plane, on the relationship plane, and please God in the international political peace plane. So this is my small attempts to bring some joy, development, growth into our time now. And we're doing it through in-depth looking into the Sfirot, and it will be a fresh take. Every year I go into these things and I read different things, and if you have studied with me before, you know that there will be music, will be nigunim, will be different texts and ideas, and together we'll create something new that has never happened before exactly like that, and never will, because the time is now. So I hope to see you in 2 weeks, and להתראות.